Check out this arm candy. This is the Coach Saddlebag 23 with Western rivets. Isn't she gorgeous? Look at the beautiful rivet detailing on this bag. You can see that it has a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors. The detail on this bag is impeccable, and it's all over the front as well as on the back. Just gorgeous. She is made of glove tanned leather. She is in the color chalk. And check out this gold lining throughout the bag. The gold stitching just adds so much additional character, and it goes throughout this bag on the front as well as on the back. And it's also lined in that gold on the strap as well. This bag is from the Coach 1941 collection. You can see she has her Coach 1941 hang tag. She has gunmetal hardware. And she's also finished and edged in this burgundy color. So even more additional detail on the bag. And the burgundy edging is also throughout the bag. Just gorgeous. You can see on her side that she is gusseted, so you can probably fit a lot in this bag and stretch it a bit. It has that room, and you can see that it is also lined in that beautiful burgundy color, adding that additional detail. This strap is adjustable so that you could wear the bag at its full length as a long shoulder bag, or you can adjust it to a short shoulder bag, and then if you put it on its fourth link, you can even wear it as a shorter bag. So you can do three ways: a crossbody, long shoulder, as well as short shoulder. So some variety there in the wear as well. Her measurements are 3" in depth, 9 inches in length, and 7 3/4 inches in height. Let's see what she looks like on the inside. You can see she is all leather throughout, and she has this beautiful golden tan color. On the inside, she does have a front pocket, a very nice size front pocket, very generous. Again, with this gusseted side, you could probably put a lot in that bag, in this section of the bag. And it also, again, has this leather tan lining. It has a middle compartment as well. And you can see the Coach story patch on the inside. She does have a zipper pocket on the inside as well. She has a button or snap closure to secure the bag. So the flap would go over that snap closure. And it really fits there, as you can see. It's glove tan leather, which scratches pretty easy, so I'll be careful here. One other interesting detail, not sure if you can see it in there, is it does have a hook that you could snap to attach your keys to the inside of the bag. I'm not sure if that's showing up on the camera, but just another awesome detail of this beautiful bag. So I cannot wait to see how I'm going to style this bag. She is so beautiful. And if you're interested in seeing how I style her, please subscribe to my channel so that you could see more. I also, if you could comment and like, that would also be appreciated. I will start doing a regular series called Arm Candy, because I know we all love our bags, and sometimes it's just the eye appeal that attracts us the most. And I thought this was the best bag to kick off that series. Again, this is the Coach Saddle 23 with Western rivets.